Have you ever wondered what happens when Audi completely ignores reality and builds the ultimate machine for the future? Meet the Audi AI Trail Quattro, a vehicle so advanced it looks less like a car and more like something sent back from the year 2050. This isn't just another electric SUV. This is Audi's vision of off-road exploration, reimagined from the ground up. At first glance, the AI Trail looks absolutely unreal. Massive wheels, an ultralight body, and a cabin made almost entirely of glass. It's like driving inside a luxury observation pod. Except this one can conquer mountains, rivers, and terrain most vehicles wouldn't even dare approach. And that's exactly what makes it so fascinating. Unlike traditional off-roaders, the Audi AI Trail is powered by four independent electric motors, one for each wheel. Together, they produce instant torque exactly where it's needed. That means maximum traction, precise control, and effortless performance over even the toughest landscapes. Whether it's rocky mountain trails, muddy forest paths, or endless desert dunes, this machine is built to go anywhere. But Audi didn't stop there. The AI Trail features level for autonomous driving technology. That means, under certain conditions, the vehicle can actually drive itself. Imagine sitting back, relaxing, and letting your car navigate through breathtaking wilderness while you simply enjoy the view. And trust me, the view is spectacular. Thanks to its panoramic glass canopy, the cabin offers nearly uninterrupted visibility in every direction. There's no feeling of being trapped inside a vehicle. Instead, it feels like you're part of the landscape itself. The interior is minimal, futuristic, and incredibly clever. Audi designed removable hammock-style rear seats, turning the cabin into a mobile adventure lounge. It's luxury, innovation, and practicality all wrapped into one stunning package. Now here's where things get absolutely crazy. Instead of traditional headlights, Audi equipped the AI Trail with 5 autonomous drones. Yes, actual flying drones. They can illuminate the trail ahead, scout difficult terrain, and even capture cinematic footage from above. It's part car, part drone fleet, and entirely insane. Performance is equally impressive. The AI Trail offers an estimated range of up to 500 kilometers on normal roads, while still delivering exceptional capability in extreme off-road environments. Its lightweight construction and advanced battery technology make it one of the most forward-thinking concepts Audi has ever created. And let's be honest, it looks incredible. Every line, every surface, every detail screams innovation. It doesn't just predict the future of adventure vehicles, it defines it. Of course, this exact concept may never reach production. The drone headlights alone would probably give regulators a collective heart attack. But that's not really the point. Concept cars like the Audi AI Trail exist to inspire,